Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, January 21st, 2020. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make this Tuesday. Please be seated. Today, we are celebrating Dylan Gomez in first grade and Andre Cerro Blanco in kinder. I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing birthday, and please pop by my office for your birthday treat. Today, we are focusing on Rattlers being responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. And idea 22, which is have a good book with you at all times. When I'm walking down the hall in the morning, each one of you should have a book open, and you should be reading. And our vocabulary word of the day is vertical, being in a position or direction perpendicular to the plane of the horizon. Upright. Synonym, steep. So now we have quite a few announcements, so listen up. Number 1, today's Tuesday. You're going back to your homeroom for academic block, so you can get a little bit of academics in, eat your snack, and be on your way. There are a ton of items in the Lost and Found. Make sure that if you are missing a jacket, you go and grab your jacket from the Lost and Found. Some more announcements. This week, we have a lot of exams on Friday. So please make sure you are giving it your all and you are here every single day. And this Friday is our 100th day. I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end of the announcements. And the following Friday is our wonderful Winter Wonderland dance put on by 2nd and 5th grade. So you have a lot of things to be looking forward to. Attendance. Last week, we really cleaned up the last 3 days, and we hit 98%. We were killing it. Let's keep it up. You guys, we really need to ensure that we are on time, that we're dressed appropriately, and that we are staying healthy by going to sleep at a good time and eating as healthy as we can. Remember that we have only 4 days this week, and our attendance raffles on Friday. You can definitely be here for all 4 days. And just another shout out about the 100th day of school is this Friday. Did you know that you are 100 days smarter? You have been in school 100 days. And this Friday, we are going to celebrate by dressing up as if we are 100. Your teachers can give you more information about that, but get excited. We will be dressing up like we're 100 years old to celebrate our brains being 100 days smarter. I have another really amazing announcement to these third graders. Third graders, if you see your name on the list, please stand up in your homerooms and let's give them a round of applause. I am so, so proud of you. All of these third graders in ELA on Friday, they moved up a whole achievement bracket. That means that they have put the time and the effort into class the past few weeks, and from their semester exam to this exam, they've moved up an entire new bracket. I am so, so proud of you. You may be seated and have an amazing day. Also, we have quite a few math masters, which is amazing. So 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade, and 5th graders, if your name is on this list, please stand up and take a bow, because getting math masters is not easy, and you guys have been working really hard every single day in Mr. Prevy's class, and you deserve a round of applause. Really, really great work, and I can't wait to see the rest of you with your names up there. Another announcement for the Winter Wonderland Dance. Remember, it's not this Friday, it's next Friday. Make sure you tell your parents about it. And it is from 5 to 7. Please join us for a night of dancing and family fun. It is $1 to get in, and then there will be tickets sold at the door for food and drinks, etc. They will have things like nachos, hot chocolate, and if you happen to be one of the first 100 students inside the door, you will receive a free Kona Ice snow cone. If you are not, you may purchase one. We can't wait to see you there. Another shout out or another announcement is for more deliciousness is, did you know that you can win a homeroom pizza party or a grade level or a grade level free dress and ice cream party just for making sure that your parents have registered. So when you get home tonight, make sure you ask your parents if they've re-registered. This means that they're making sure that you have a spot at our school next year. So it was the orange letter we sent home, but they can also do it online. And if they have any questions, to make sure that they contact your teachers or myself. Another announcement is at the end of the day, we have snack. You should be lined up outside your door and following the procedures that were given in the video last Friday. We are going to have visitors on campus observing us on January 29th. That is next Wednesday. So please start practicing so you can practice perfect and make sure that our visitors are impressed with our ability to follow the snack procedure. Also, if you want to take something home, it has to be from the first grab of items, and it can't be something perishable. So you shouldn't be taking home milk, but you actually can take home like the apples and the fruit and things like that. All right. A lot of you were asking me, why did we have yesterday off? Well, this is why. We celebrated Martin Luther King Jr. Day. It is now a federal holiday, and it's always on the third Monday of January. This day, besides celebrating Mr. King's birthday, honors his legacy and shines a light on civil rights. In 1983, President Ronald Reagan signed a bill making the third Monday of every January as Martin Luther King Day. We are also on the brink of celebrating Black History Month, which is February. We will celebrate by posting bulletin boards, celebrating famous Black athletes, Black educators, etc. And we're also having a door decorating competition that your teachers can win and you can help out creating. Also, in the morning announcements, I'll make sure to include some amazing facts about our African Americans, and make sure you talk to your teachers about how you would like to celebrate Black History Month and let me know so we can incorporate this and make it a yearly celebration. Now, finally, we have our health fact of the day. Green is good. You may think vegetables that are dark green color are kind of yucky, and I used to think that too. However, they're actually really, really good for you. Leafy greens like spinach and lettuce are filled with lots of vitamins A, C, K, and folate. These promote really good health. They also have iron to make your body help make red blood cells, calcium for strong bones and teeth, plus fiber to make sure that you are going to the bathroom. So make sure that you're eating these if they are on your plate during breakfast, lunch, or supper. Please say the Renberg Academy chant with me. And ready? Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday. Remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of students that are out and message the ADA GroupMe. Have a wonderful Tuesday.